When I was little, I didn't really have a dad in my life when I was real little because he was in another state, or he was always gone, or he was in jail or something. And my mom, she was struggling with drugs at the time.
On drugs, and so was my dad, and they weren't really there for me.
She's dealt with gang violence, drugs on her corner. There's prostitution all around her neighborhood, family members getting shot, and there's been some that have been killed.
My mom lost her job, and she started drinking and hanging out with people that weren't right and stuff like that. And we're also like making bad choices. And I didn't know really what, I had like no idea what to do.
My mom was abusive, and my parents also got divorced. And it was kind of hard for me during that divorce because I was the reason of it, because I found my mom doing something she shouldn't have been while I was at home. And after the divorce, she started getting more aggressive, and we just didn't get along anymore. She was just angry all the time and depressed. She would sleep all the time.
My mom, because she has a drinking problem. She's not really good as a parent. She was doing okay because she went to rehab, but then she's back in jail again.
It's really affecting all of us in the family.